As consultations continue about where to put a safe consumption site, some residents in the neighborhood where governments and organizations want to put it say their feelings are not being heard.
You know, Point Douglas is often the place where things are put.
Christine Kerouac lives in Point Douglas. She attended a community consultation about the proposed site on January 16th.
Through that meeting that I came away with from Aboriginal Health and Wellness was a lot of placating and a lot of condescension, saying, well, you know, if you are opposed to any of this, it's just because you don't understand addiction as a disease.
Greg Robson also lives in Point Douglas. He is concerned about placing the site in an already struggling neighborhood.
This is the only neighborhood in the entire city where you can use. You can walk up and down Main Street. You don't believe me? Walk up and down Main Street.
With a high school across the freeway, Robson worries about the effects the site will have on the local youth.
Here's the thing. Every politician I've ever heard, when they campaign, will say, our youth are the future. But as soon as they're elected, that kind of goes out the window. And the safe injection site, so close to schools, is a testament to that.
The Aboriginal Health and Wellness team is in partnership with the province to set up the site. They say 7 community consultations have taken place. City police and a mobile community patrol have been in the meetings. So have physicians with addictions expertise. The Wellness Center says they are looking at the data from these meetings. Another concern is the number of mental health crises where community members have been assaulted.
And one of the ones that's very scary to me, that has been very minimized, is psychosis. Psychosis, and how dangerous it can be to the individual who is experiencing psychosis and to the community and surrounding members of our community.
When asked about what can be done to help ease these concerns, Robson spoke about the lack of readily available traditional healing.
You know, when we look at the different temples and religious places that are here across Manitoba, but specifically to Winnipeg, you know, it's really unfortunate that we don't have a designated area in Winnipeg for Aboriginal peoples to have spiritual practices.
There is no final decision on where the safe injection site is going to go.
At the end of the day, you know, what it really comes down to is our community's well-being.
APTN reached out for comment from the MLA for Point Douglas, Bernadette Smith, who is the Minister for Housing, Addictions and Homelessness. In a statement that a ministerial spokesperson wrote, 200 Disraeli Freeway is located where there are higher rates of homelessness and substance use, and first responders report a need near the proposed site. The plan is to increase access to supports such as healthcare, addiction services, and mental health supports. Tyler Shingus, APTN National News, Winnipeg.